Where to stay in Frankfurt? N2N Explorer is here to suggest you options. From mid-range hotels that provides comfort and are near to major tourist locations, to luxury hotels which provides premium services you can choose from for your trip to Frankfurt. Mid-range hotels in Frankfurt. N2N Explorer shortlisted 7 different hotels in this range. All of these hotels are not heavy on your pocket and still provides all modern amenities you look for in a hotel. They are accessible by local tram and near to railway station. First option is Hotel Cult. It is located in Sachsenhausen, which is a prime location in Frankfurt. Easily accessed from railway station and offers best location with price-worthy rooms. Next option is Leonardo Royal Hotel. It provides views to Frankfurt's skyline. It is a high-rise property in the city center and has all modern amenities that you look for as a traveler. This hotel provides warm, contemporary rooms with colorful decor, have balconies and city views. Next in mid-range section is Ritter Hotel Frankfurt. It is a small traditional style hotel in Old Sachsenhausen. Just 9 minutes walk from local Bahnhof station. This property definitely shouts that old is gold. The modestly furnished rooms come with desks, free Wi-Fi and TVs. Hotel Primus is an amazing option if you are looking to stay near Roma and near to the main river. Hardly 5 minutes of walking distance from Roma. Comfortable rooms and definitely worth the price they offer. Moxie Frankfurt East is another great option in mid-range hotels. It's trendy, modern design hotel and provide all modern amenities that you look for in a hotel. It is 3 kilometers from Roma, a medieval former city hall. Situated in city center, Odina Hotel Frankfurt New Oper provides spacious rooms. Just a block away from the main river, this modern hotel is just 11 minutes walk from Romaburg Museum and Church. Stylish, newer hotel with good transport links, Ironside by Melia Ostend is a great option in mid-range hotels. Upgraded Upgraded rooms, hip bar, and many other modern amenities are available in the room. It is hardly 2 kilometers from Frankfurt Cathedral. Coming up next are our suggestions for upscale luxury hotels in Frankfurt. First, Sofitel Frankfurt Opera. Modern rooms with warm, colorful decor, a barbecue-style bar and a posh lobby lounge. This polished hotel provides luxurious and elegant rooms for your stay. Last but not the least, Stegenberger Icon Frankfurter Hof is definitely a classic pick when it comes to 5-star hotels. Set in the financial district, this elegant hotel dating from 1876 lies 1.4 kilometers from the Zale shopping street.